during his time living down there, he wrote this song. And coinkydingly, it's called Ocean Beach.
Oh. Oh, this is careful. You have to bring this even.
Don't need the ocean, don't need the tides, don't need to pick up seashells with their blue undersides.
Yeah.
Don't need the pier with its fisher folk and wind,
Okay.
or the surfers doing switchbacks in their zipped up skins, or the illusion the horizon can be reached in Ocean Beach. I don't need pretty, real will do, like the faces at the jungle on Newport Avenue. I don't need the bark of the seals in the night, or the shadow of a sailboat on its twist and flight. I'm doing fine 3,000 miles to the east from Ocean Beach. Don't need to see you, these walls keep me warm, but these icy months in Boston have left me weather worn. Was it last May I was there? It feels like centuries. Last thing I need, the last thing I need is these memories. Don't need strangers led around by dogs, or the liquored up paper bags with their monologues. I don't need the olive tree with its smells of gourmet sins, or the encyclopedic barber knows every movie ever has been, or the chance that you and I might meet in Ocean Beach. Don't need the ocean, don't need the tides, don't need to pick up seashells with their blue undersides. I don't need the pier with its fisher folk and wind, or the surfers doing switchbacks with their zipped up skins. The illusion that the horizon can be reached in Ocean Beach.
Yay! That was hard.
That's an old Lafe song.